Hi friends, so today I'm going to give you the update about our August month performance in our mechanical trading system, also nothing but the systematic trading system which I was pushing most of you to start trading. And the series program which I started, nothing but trading for living, it's our webinar, and based on everyone's request I am also doing live trade with them, and we are seeing the performance month on month, because it's very difficult to show all the live trades, because mechanical trading system is very boring. There will be series of profits, series of losses. You just have to execute the strategy day in and day out. There's nothing else. So in today's video, as promised, I'll be showing you the update. You'll also be seeing my ledger as well, and also an interesting part, I will show you, or I will tell you, reveal you a story why I started with the capital of 7.75 lakh, because many people are asking me, sir, why don't you round it off to 8 lakh, or why don't you round it off to 7 lakhs. So in today's video I'll be explaining that story as well. So stay tuned till end of the video. You'll be getting full update, and any other doubts you can always WhatsApp me. Yeah. So before going forward, I was told to give this disclaimer, because you would have seen this kind of disclaimers when you see high stunt movies or action movies. So on the funny part, I just copied the same disclaimer saying that this trading, this style of trading, or this aggressive method of me doing trading are all done because I have a little bit of experience in stock market. But if at all many people will look at it and feel that it's so easy and you can also start it, then please do risk only the amount which you can risk. Start small, and this disclaimer says don't try this at home. So I would say try only if you have experience or if you have somebody to guide you. Basically, the whole intention of doing this program is to make sure that you're along with me in the journey, so that you can also get inspired to trade for living. Yes. Okay, so and also this upstock offer is extended again in this particular month as well. So in case people, those who are not still taken this facility, you can use. I'm using the same trading platform. They are providing free demat and trading account, as well as zero brokerage for 30 days. So this offer is expanded. If you're still not used or still not availed this, you can use the link in the description of my video. Perfect. So friends, this is what I really love to see always, the graphical representation of our trades. So I have noted down the full trade log, the trade of how we did our trades, the learnings, the mistakes, the remarks, everything are available in this. But always try to look into a graphical method. If at all you not use this uh, trading journal, you can use it. Is available in my Telegram group. The link of the group also is available in the description of this video. Just join the link. You will get this Excel file. You can just fill the data and you'll get this kind of graphical representation. So this is nothing but the equity curve, and it shows like with how much capital we started and how much it is going, how's the performance. You can see almost we reached to the level of 10 lakhs, and again there's a little bit of drawdown. So what is drawdown? Drawdown is the percentage difference from the highest point. Okay. So you can see we reached the highest point here, again we came down. So this is called as a drawdown. Again there is a pull up, it went and reached almost the same level, again it came down, and again it goes up. So this is how the whole market works, how stock market works. It's not like you always get profit. There will always be losses and profits. And then you can see this is the daily profit and loss I have made in a graphical representation. Everything this is shown here. You can see above zero all these are profits, and below zero all these are losses. So once again, while seeing this graph, you'll understand one thing very clearly. You can see I am cutting my losses at this level. I'm making sure that the rule which I have kept is 5%. I don't in a day, if I find that my stop loss has crossed 5%, I really exit my trade in whatever position I am in, profit or loss or whatever it is. Sorry, you can't be in profit and exit, but I'm just saying in whatever position you are, I just exit the trade. And you can see when you're making profits, I keep running till end of the day. Okay, so you can see almost 1, 2 and 3 big profits have saved us. It has recovered all the small losses, and that is how trading is always about. Cut your losses and run your profits. And this is the trade log. As I told you, we started off in August 10th. So I'm showing you the performance of August month, and I started with 7.75 lakhs. I'll tell you the story as well in the last, so stay tuned why I started with this particular amount. And we made a profit of 1,74,643. The total balance is as of now 9,49,000. So you can say 9.5 lakh. So what I did was, as my capital was 8 lakh, I started with 8 lots. And then you can see the money management part, that is a compounding part. So when my profit reached to 9 lakh levels, above 9 lakh, what I did, I went up to 225, that is nothing but 9 lots. Okay. Then again, there was a drawdown. I came back. You can see the capital reached below less than 9 lakhs. So then I went back to 8 lots. So this is how I'm doing my money management. So for each 1 lakh additional income, I'm adding 1 lot. Although the fund required is hardly anything, but still we have to follow our rules. No aggressive trading. And you can see this is a regular notes I keep maintaining. So on 17th I was on leave. I could not trade, and then so there are a few learnings which still I have to take. You see, friends, though it's a mechanical system, even I am a human being. So most of the times I have this habit of closing the week in profit. It's a very bad habit. I keep telling my students as well. But still, in these cases, I closed early because of my bad habit and missed good profits. 5% profit missed here, and around 3% profits missed here. So by maintaining this notes, what happens is like you will know where are you doing mistakes. So these are the mistakes which I'm doing, and I have to get rid of this. So by jotting it down whenever I do this mistake, because human beings can't control their emotions, you know it. Even though I'm trading for a long time, still there will be some element of emotions, which is what I'm trying to get rid. So when a day comes when I don't have this kind of mistakes, then I really believe that I have become a 100% professional trader. Still I am on the journey. I'm still learning on that scope. Okay. And 31st I was on leave because of my brother's marriage and Onam festival, and then I missed huge profit of 15%. Almost everybody, those who did live trades with me, made good profits of around 10 to 15%. They recovered their webinar fees as well. Although I give them target of 1 month to recover your fees, but still they were able to recover in 1 day. Anyways, that was luck. It's not that always you get that, but anyways, I missed that, and without that profits, I'm already sitting at this big profit. And you can also see the summary. This is the most important part, friends. You see the win ratio, it's 50-50. Okay, and it's too early to decide because we just have done till now 12 trades only in the month of August. So as and when we go, this probability of large numbers comes into picture. But still you can see with an accuracy of 50% only. Okay, mind you, 50% accuracy only, we are already sitting at a returns of 22.5%. You can see the returns on investment are already 22% for the month of August. That is because we can see the risk reward ratio. This is all automatic calculated, friends. There's nothing manual calculations. Everything is taken from the trading journal. So you can see this is the trick here. Though our accuracy is only 50-50%, the risk reward ratio is 1:2. So you can see the average risk was 29,000 and the average profit is around 58,000. So it comes to risk reward of 1:2, and this is the most important part where successful people make money in stock market. Yes. Now come on, friends. Some people they'll start calculating. So you got 22% in August, so 22 into 12 months in a year. Sorry. So I'm just multiplying. You can see the formula 22 to 12. So it doesn't mean that we get 200%, 250% returns every year. This is what many people start doubting. Come on, we are not God or something. We can't predict the market, and 1 month performance is not going to show you a future. In stock market, there is going to be losses as well. Be prepared for losses as well. So you can't do this kind of Excel calculations. Why I'm saying you this is because some people, they take loan of 1 lakh, 2 lakh, and they say, see, Prince is getting a returns of 20%, so if I trade with him, I'll get return of 20%, so I can pay the EMI, etc. Blah blah. All these kind of calculations they do because they see this kind of 22% coming in month of August. Please don't do this mistake. Trading is not like that. Okay, so you can't guarantee always this kind of 22% will come every month. We are happy with whatever we get. As I told you, my aim is to just make sure my money is beating the inflation, or my money is beating the fixed deposit whatever the bank is giving. If whatever I'm getting more than this, I am very happy. And mind you, we are trading for living. Yes. Okay, so I just want to show you my ledger as well, so that people, those who are trading, will be very confident. This is my upstock back office. It's called as Keystone back office. I'll just press I've just taken from 10th, you can see, and then I'm taken from till 31st of August. I'm pressing the go button, and I am just, this is the data. Same, all these are the amount which is credited, and these are all amount which is debited, and same thing I have uploaded in the Excel as well. So daily when I keep doing my trades, I keep uploading. So this is how the profit is 1,74,000. You can see same thing has come here, friends. Everything is systematic. Everything is as per rules. We are following. So this is the ledger which I want to show to you. Yeah. Now coming back to this interesting story of 7,75,000, and why is that I started with 7,75,000? You can round it off to 7 lakhs, or you can round it to 8 lakhs. Why this particular amount? Friends, again, before telling the story, the same disclaimer. I can say I'm a partially professional trader. That is why I'm taking such big risks in life and doing trading, but it doesn't mean that everybody should start the same thing. You can just get inspired by my stories or what I'm doing, and then you can plan for it. Okay. So to understand this 7,75,000, you should also see my previous video, which I upload in the YouTube channel. It's nothing but finance for the non-finance, where I told you to start generating positive cash flow from all your assets. As long as your assets is not giving you cash flow, you're not going to make any money out of it, and then it is going to be waste. Say for example, you have a house and you are paying EMI for that, you're paying insurance, you're paying kata, tax, etc. for that. That means it's not a positive cash flow, it's a negative cash flow. If you're buying a luxury, if you're buying a car, again it's a negative cash flow, because although it's an asset, the bank writes it as an asset, your house is an asset, but still you're not getting money out of it. There's nothing coming out of it. You're just putting money into it. Even the car, you're paying for the insurance, the diesel, the maintenance, but still even the depreciation is there. After 4-5 years, it's going to become almost zero. So I was telling you in previous video, try to find ideas where you can make this kind of money, these kind of assets into positive cash flow. So one thing which I told you, that story of my car. So I had cleared my car loan, and then surprisingly last month I was looking into this HDFC portal. I found that they're giving me refinance for my used car. Okay, so the amount which they gave me was 7,75,000 rupees, and then car which was a depreciating asset for me, I immediately applied for that loan. I got the money within one day. It came into my account correctly. During this time it was in my account. So then I thought I will use the same amount for doing this particular experiment which I am doing. So basically the car which was a bad asset, in the sense a depreciating asset, now has started generating cash flow for me. The same car has generated me 7,75,000 as loan. So as you know, if I take loan, I have to pay an interest of around 10.5% yearly, that is annually. But here you can see that I am generating already 1,74,000 rupees profit out of it. That is more than the 10% interest which I have to pay annually. So it means that I am getting the EMI from the market. So I am paying the EMI, the monthly EMI which has to pay, and also I'll be getting extra money out of this trading, if at all if I get. So now are you getting an idea how are we converting all the bad assets into a positive assets? Again, I'm telling you, warning, disclaimer, it's only for people those who have experience for trading, but I'm just telling you sharing my strategy, my story to you, so that it'll inspire you somewhere or the other to convert your assets into a profitable assets. Yes. So the whole concept was simple, friends. The car which was a bad asset for me, which was not giving me any income, I was only spending money for its maintenance and for its insurance and depreciation, etc., has now suddenly converted to a positive cash flow. How? I took a refinance of that, and that amount I put into this live trading account. I also showed you how we started off with 7,75,000 rupees, my initial fund, and then now by doing this trading, that is also just taking early, hardly a few minutes of my time, because I have many other main accounts to trade. Parallelly, I'm just doing this demo account trading, and it is generating me a cash flow of almost 20% in the month of August. Thereby, I am paying the EMI, and the remaining money is my profit. Is it clear? So this is how I started off with 7,75,000. Hope it inspires you to think over this. Think over. It is not that you can start it immediately, all those things. In your life, this is what you have to keep doing. Whatever liabilities you want to buy, start generating this kind of cash flows, and from this cash flow you have to go and buy your liabilities. Like if you have to buy any mobile, or you have to buy any bike or car or anything, the positive cash flow which comes from these kind of assets, you have to buy those liabilities. So by this, what happens is, even after the liability becomes zero or it loses value, it won't pinch you, because your income is continuously coming. Don't ever buy any liabilities with your hard-earned salary. Whatever salary you are getting, invest into any assets, make that asset a positive cash flow asset, and with that positive cash flow, buy any liability. Simple sentence, friends. And hope you got the meaning what I wanted to explain to you. And any other help required, any other support required from my side, please do feel free to WhatsApp me. My number is 8095 876525. And thank you for watching my video and continuously supporting me. There are many people who are supporting me and encouraging me for this kind of live trades. We started almost in the month of April, and we are continuously, that is nothing but 2020-21 financial year. We started almost, and we are doing very good. As of now, I'm showing almost all months of my trades. Although this month we are only seeing the ledger because daily videos was difficult for me to record. I was busy with my brother's engagement and marriage. You saw me taking leave. This was on his engagement and again on his leave. So now I'm almost free, and we are ready for many kind of learnings, teachings, many things. So many videos are also prepared now. I'll be uploading regularly as well. Till then, thank you and have a nice day.